Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this DFROBOT robot kit. As you can see, I got the Plus. There's a couple different versions. We can go over that in a minute, but so this is used with Microbit controller by BBC. That's why I got a hold of one of these kits so I could try out programming with the Microbit and MicroPython. So it's a pretty cool box. Let's open up the kit real fast. Robot chassis, instructions, sonic sensor, warranty card, connections, wheels, the bracket to mount sensors on, rubbers of the wheels themselves, standoffs, line following track, it's in the box. Okay, so I did open up this before because I had to get a battery for it. So this did not come with this battery. I had to go buy it separately. It's really difficult to send batteries over by air freight because this is a lithium-ion battery. So this is wow, it's really in there, really tight. So see if you can see it. It's 18650, 2600 milliamps, lithium-ion rechargeable battery, 3.6 volts. So you actually can charge this battery in the chassis. Like I said, this extra, I had to go buy this because it's so difficult to mail these lithium-ion batteries in the mail or get them through an airplane. So this is the chassis. Basically, it's all ready to go except for the wheels and some other add-ons. That's it. So everything's working. So it's got line following sensors. Line following sensors. 4 on the top here, 2 on each side. So like I said, this is the Plus version. And it does not come with a Microbit processor. Yes, that's the BBC developed this. Interesting thing. So this is the Microbit processor. Sort of like the Arduino. Here's a battery pack. Probably won't need that. But you have to buy this separately. It's not come with the kit. So it should be as simple as just popping it in like that. So now this Microbit controller. So this has got Bluetooth, some other stuff. Oh. Maybe not. Thought it would just turn on. I'll have to check the instructions. That might be a battery connector I'm missing somewhere. That's probably what it is. But that's how it's going to connect the Microbit. Now the other thing I did, you can buy this separately or you can buy it with the kit. And this is a, I bought this separately. I got this through the Kickstarter. Husky Lens All-in-One AI Vision Sensor add-on for this kit. Like I said, I've had this for a little bit, so I've already got it out of the box. So this will mount on the bracket up here. So I'll have vision sensing for this robot. So I just wanted to do a quick kind of unboxing to show you the new robot I was going to play around with. I don't know if I'm going to do a class on this or not, but I thought this is a pretty cool for about $100. Unless you can get set up. So see if you can see that. Basically, it comes in a couple different versions. Just the basic version. I got the plus version. There's a light version. I got the plus version with the metal bracket so you can mount sensors on it. Sonic sensor. You could also get it with the Husky Lens video processing. And then there's like the mechanical one where you can get various arms. Various manipulators. So I think it's a pretty cool kit to get started with. So that's a quick introduction to the kit, what comes in the box, how much it costs. Depending on what version of the Plus you get, you're talking about $50 to $100. The battery, depending on where you buy it, can be around $10, but you have to buy that separately. Like it says, 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery, 3.6 volts. So, and like I said, you have to buy the Microbit also separately too for it. So that's just a quick unboxing. Next video I'll do is I'll kind of run through putting the robot together. But, okay, cool. Thanks everybody for watching.